Hey, Dana with Breslow Outdoors. I'm here with Nick and Fran. We're at the project we're just starting. We just got the sale, so we're here double checking measurements and just going over the product. Tell us, why did you want to get this system?
We had set up a backyard patio, and we realized between the sun and the elements, it'd be nice to have some shelter and dress the place up.
Great. And how was the sales experience, like working with the salespeople, doing the virtual?
Everything was excellent. The team was great. We went through the project, the design, very responsive, and very happy. Yeah.
Yeah?
Everything was fast.
Are you excited about this project?
Very excited.
Nice. What is the main reason why you want this? Is to keep things dry, cool?
A little bit of both. I guess you get to me, you get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, it's going to be a cozy space too. You'll be able to just lounge out here and eat.
Yeah, just sitting out here the other day and the sun was like a little too much. And then now you're going to have that in both worlds.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.